Let's go! I will show you second edit in the end of video. Hope you like it. Most difficult pick ever I seen. Ctrl+J. Use healing brush tool. Press Alt and then use. Like this way, apply all the spots. Ctrl+I. Click Vivid Light. Click Filter and select High Pass. Click Filter and click Blur. Click Gaussian Blur. Make layer mask. Ctrl+I. Click Brush tool. Apply like this way. You can see the incredible change. Click Lasso tool and select Lips. Ctrl+U. Go to the layer and flatten the image. Click Camera Raw Filter. Setting is your choice. It's done. Its final result. I worked on second pick rate out of 10.